Cisco DevNet. What the hell, Cisco? All right, so this is not like a CCNA, route switch, voice, wireless type certification at all. This is more focused on programming and coding, more even than your typical scripting, which you have probably done. Now, I'm not going to sit here and preach about if it's going to be great or if it's going to flop. The fact of the matter is times are changing, right? We've all heard that the network engineer job is going away. And what are we going to do about it? Well, we could sit and stomp our feet and cry, and I'm not that kind of person. So I'm going to go for the DevNet certification. Now, I'm not a programmer, and odds are you're not either. And most people that I know as network engineers, network admins, help desk, even CCIEs, they're not programmers either. They can cobble some code together or write a script or do an event manager. But programming is not our bread and butter. What this means is that Cisco is putting emphasis on orchestration, automation, right? How does Cisco play with the other vendors, the other components? How does it integrate in with VMware? How does it integrate in with your storage? How does it integrate with AWS or Google Cloud or Azure? Right? And the piece that binds all of that together is going to be APIs and Python and other acronyms that I'm probably not thinking of right now. But what I think this means is not the death of your traditional network engineer. This is just going to be another tool in your belt, another differentiator, if you will, that's going to set you above another contestant or applicant for a position. And if you've got some coding or are pursuing coding or can at least find your way through some of those things, I think that's going to be a big help for you going into 2020 and beyond. Don't want to date the video too much, but let's get real, right? This is technology and it changes every single day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite you. I'm going to go after the DevNet Associate. Now, I'm not turning this into a paid course or anything like that. There's, God knows, enough of them out there already. I'm just going to document my journey going through studying the DevNet material. One, Cisco has put a lot of thought and information already free on their DevNet website. And you just Google search it quick and you'll find it, right? Their whole course outline is there. And something that they haven't done in any of their other certification tracks is they actually have links on the side that will show you to their guide on how to set up a lab, get your environment set up. Are you running Windows, Mac, Linux, how to get Python installed. Are you going to run Python 2 or Python 3? There's a lot of information, and Cisco really is pushing and giving you an opportunity to go after this certification. Now, obviously, when we get into more of the professional and maybe even some of the specialization tracks of the DevNet, we'll probably have to do some hunt and peck and getting out there. But, we get that foundation done, and I'm confident that we'll be able to go through a lot of the other tracks. So what I'm going to do is I don't know how many part series this is going to be, but I'm going to document my path through the Cisco DevNet certification. And, I want you to come with. Let's see how it goes. I got a lot of really cool things that I'd like to do, but we got to start at the foundations, myself included. I'm not a programmer. I can spell Python. That's about it. But we're going to dive in and see what this thing's all about. So with that, we'll go ahead and wrap this one up here. But stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe, alerts, whatever all the kids are saying these days. But really, I just want to document this, if not only for my own purpose, but if it can help one or two people out there, that'd be great. So let's go ahead and get started, all right? Hope to see you soon.